Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to go ahead and show you all how we can actually format shapes on our Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. So in the previous video I showed you how we could add in shapes. So we added in this rectangle around our title. We also added in this little play button. So we want to go ahead and actually modify the play button in this video. So I'm going to go ahead and left click it. Once I do that, you'll see the shape format option appear here in our ribbon, which we'll get to in a second. We can also do things like dragging it and changing where we want to place it. So if you have the up, down, left, right, you just hold left click and you can drag it around. Also, if you have these little dots around your image, that means that you can resize it. So I like to resize from the corners because it adjusts the height and the width at the same time, so my image doesn't get skewed. Like if I try to do it like this, my image may get a little goofy. So just be mindful of that if you try to do it from the top or the bottom or the left or the right rather than the corners, it may screw up your image quality and it may look distorted. Now that we have it selected, let's come over here to shape format and let's explore what's available. So we have an option to go ahead and add in additional shapes if we would like to. We can go ahead and edit our shape. So we could do things like changing our shape to something else. We can edit the points. We can add in a text box. We can go ahead and use pre-built shape styles. Let's go ahead and just explore some of them. You can see as I highlight them, it'll change it. And which one do I like? I don't know if I would use this shape, but I'll just use this green color. So that looks okay. And if we want to go ahead and actually modify it farther, we can actually come over here. We can adjust the fill color. So maybe we didn't see the fill color on the style templates that we were looking at. So let's go ahead and add in this lighter green. And then for the outline, let's do something else. Let's do something that pops. There we go, like a purple plum color. And we could also add in the effects just like we've done on icons and images. We could do things like glows and shadows, all that good stuff. We can also add in word art styles if that's something that we're working with. So that'd be relevant if you have things over there like a text box on your screen. So we can come over here. We could add in a text box right below it. So put something like, press me to view the video. And the reason I put this is because you can actually make your shape a hyperlink if you would like to. So you can actually add an action to it. So that's a pretty cool thing to do. So if you just come over here to right click, come over here to edit link, you can actually change where this will lead to. So right now it's just a hyperlink to another slide, but you can also change it to a URL or something else. Okay, let's see what else we got. So we also have options over here to bring it forward, bring it backward. So depending on where it's placed, you may want it to appear in front of an image rather than behind an image. We can also change the alignment. We can do that there. We can rotate it. If you want to rotate it, you can. And you can also change the sizing right here as well.